हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे, अच्छा कर रहे होंगे। ठीक है, आज भी हम आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लेकर के आए हैं और इस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का ये D2A कन्वर्टर या A2D कन्वर्टर के क्वेश्चंस होंगे। इसके बाद मैं आपको जो है डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स स्टार्ट कराऊंगा, उसमें कुछ चीज़ें बताऊंगा। तो कुल मिलाकर के इस तरीके से हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का पोर्शन जब पूरा हो जाएगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के क्वेश्चन कराए जाएंगे नेट गेट में आए हुए। और पहली बात जो मैं करा रहा हूँ वो भी लगभग नेट गेट में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं। ठीक है, हम वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगा आपको अगर 10+2 का कुछ साइंस और मैथ पढ़ना है तो आप एक लिंक दूंगा मैं, उसमें आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और टेक नॉलेज आपको कुछ चाहिए तो एक और लिंक दूंगा, उससे सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ठीक है बच्चों, आज स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक्चुअली मैं क्वेश्चन ये सॉल्व कर दिया था, क्योंकि मेरा पहले वीडियो जो बना रहा था उस वीडियो में क्या हुआ, आवाज़ आने लगा था तो मैं डिलीट कर दिया। दैट्स वाई दिस इज़ द सॉल्व क्वेश्चन हेयर on your screen. Now let's start. In first question, it is given that in a 4-bit weighted register D2A converter, the resistor value corresponding to MSB is 2 kilo ohm. It is given that key resistor corresponding to MSB is 2 kilo ohm and resistor corresponding to LSB. Then if the resistor corresponding to MSB is given, then the resistor corresponding to LSB will be 2 की power n minus 1 into R. R, what is R? R is the value of resistor corresponding to MSB. So we can calculate 2 की power n minus 1. 2 की power n minus 1, it is given that n is equal to 4 because it is a 4-bit converter. That's why 2 की power 4 minus 1, 2 की power 4 minus 1, 2 की power 3 into R is given. R is 2 kilo ohm. That's why we have put 2 kilo ohm here, and this is 8, 2 cube 8 into 2 equal to 16 kilo ohm. So we have solved this very easily. Then you have to remember that the relationship between MSB volt resistor and LSB resistor is resistor corresponding to LSB is 2 की power n minus 1 into R. What is the R? Resistor corresponding to MSB. Okay, now comes on second question. In second question it is given that the resolution of a D2A converter is 0.4 volt of its full scale range. Then the bit of converter, it is given, it is in question it is asked that the converter will be 4 bit, 6 bit, 8 bit, whatever the bit will be converter. So now we will calculate resolution. We took resolution 2 की power n minus 1. However 2 की power n minus 1, suppose n is equal to 8, that therefore n equal to 256 होगा. Then 256 is the largest value that compared to 1. So we can neglect minus 1 here. That's why 1 upon 2 की power n minus 1 we have not considered minus 1. 2 की power n is equal to 0.4 upon 100, 1000, 1 upon 250. Then if we consider n equal to 8, then this will be 2 की power 8 will be 256, but it is nearly to 250. That's why n equal to, we will take n equal to 8. So it is a 8-bit converter, 8-bit D2A converter. So we have solved this. Now comes some third question. What is given in this question? Let's see. A D2A converter has 5 volt full scale output voltage and an accuracy of 2%, plus minus 2%. The maximum error for the output voltage, what will be the maximum error? Maximum error correspond for output voltage will be 2 upon 100 into output voltage, then 5, 2 at 10, 1 by 10 volt. Okay, now comes on third question. what is the third question? It's fourth question. For a 12-bit A to D converter, the range of output signal is 0 to 10. The voltage corresponding to LSB. It is given that the range of input signal is 0 to 10 volt, and the voltage corresponding to 1 LSB. The voltage corresponding to 1 LSB, what will be the formula? 1 upon 2 की power n into voltage range of voltage corresponding to LSB 1 upon 2 की power n to the range of input voltage. Range of input voltage 1 upon 2 की power n equal to 12 into range of input voltage. What is the range of is given 10. Then what will be the solution? You can calculate. Okay, it will be in volt. So now we have calculated four the voltage corresponding to 1 LSB. So now we will see once again what will be the question. First question was the resistor corresponding to LSB. So what will be the formula? The resistor corresponding to LSB is equal to 2 की power n minus resistor corresponding to MSB. The resolution of a D2A converter is approximately 4.1% of full wave range. Then bit of the converter, we have considered this formula. And for the D2A converter error, the maximum error in output voltage, maximum error what will be accuracy upon 100, because percentage is given, and into this voltage, and we can calculate this voltage. Now last question was given that voltage corresponding to LSB. Voltage corresponding to LSB, the formula is range of LSB voltage equal to 1 upon 2 की power n into range of input voltage. 1 upon 2 की power n is equal to 12. So range of corresponding voltage will be 10. So we have put n equal to 12 and range of output voltage is equal to 10, 0 to 10 tha. Now we have whatever the will be result, you will solve like this. Okay, now we have solved 4 question of D2A and A to D converter. In last video I also solved some question based on A to D and D2A converter. So I think these are sufficient questions, and you will find that in assistant professor exam these type of questions are asked. Okay, now I will upload op-amp based question in my next video. Okay, and that lecture will be given by Rakesh Kumar Gangbar, PhD scholar, IIT Delhi. Okay, thanks.